मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती। It takes two to make a quarrel. It takes two to make a quarrel. उसकी आंखों में लज्जा है। There is modesty in her eyes. There is modesty in her eyes. मानो या ना मानो, यह तो सच है। Believe it or not, it is true. Believe it or not, it is true. गांव बाढ़ की चपेट में आ गया। The village was encircled by the flood. The village was encircled by the flood. यह भूल कर भी मत करना। Don't make this mistake. Don't make this mistake. मैं अपनी गलती मानता हूँ। I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. आखिर आपका मतलब क्या है? After all, what do you mean? After all, what do you mean? यह मेरे मन की बात हुई। This is just what I wanted. This is just what I wanted. उससे बात मत करो। Don't talk to him. Don't talk to him. मुझे बुखार आ गया है। I have a fever. I have a fever. उसका शरीर भारी है। His body is bulky. His body is bulky. तुम कौन सा साबुन लगाते हो? Which soap do you use? Which soap do you use? पैंट के बटन लगा दो। Button up your pant. Button up your pant. पढ़ने में मन लगाओ। Be attentive to your studies. Be attentive to your studies. हमें अपनी लड़कियों को भी शिक्षा देनी चाहिए। We should educate our daughters too. We should educate our daughters too. मुझे लिखने के लिए कागज चाहिए। I want a paper to write on. I want a paper to write on. मैंने उसे बहाल करवाया है। I have got him reinstated. I have got him reinstated. He detained me there. देखते ही देखते भीड़ लग गई। A crowd gathered in a few seconds. A crowd gathered in a few seconds. लड़का शादी के लायक है। The boy is fit for marriage. The boy is fit for marriage. कृपया मुझे एक दिन की छुट्टी दें। Please give me one day leave. Please give me one day leave. मेल मिलाप से रहो। Live in harmony. Live in harmony. वह सैकड़ों में एक है। He is 1 in 100. He is 1 in 100. घड़े में पानी भरा है। The jar is filled with water. The jar is filled with water. बालों में तेल डालो। Apply oil to your hair. Apply oil to your hair. वह काम में लगा है। He is engaged in work. He is engaged in work. माँ बाप का कहना मानो। Obey your parents. Obey your parents. हर काम समय पर करो। Do every work at the right time. Do every work at the right time. मामला टेढ़ा है. The matter is complicated. The matter is complicated. मेरा मन वहाँ नहीं लगता. I don't feel good there. I don't feel good there. मैं उन लोगों में हूँ जो ऐसा सोचते हैं. I am one of those men who think so. I am one of those men who think so. वह कितनी भी मेहनत करे पास नहीं हो सकता. However hard he labors, he cannot pass. However hard he labors, he cannot pass. उसकी मजाल नहीं जो मेरा सामना करे. He has not the nerve to face me. He has not the nerve to face me. वह मुझे रास्ते में मिला. I met him on the way. I met him on the way. पेड़ पर फल लगे हैं. The tree is bearing fruit. The tree is bearing fruit. उसकी नस नस में शरारत भरी है. He is mischievous to the core. He is mischievous to the core. उन्होंने आंखें झुका ली. They lowered their eyes. They lowered their eyes. क्या यह घड़ी रेडियो में मिली हुई है? Is this watch set by radio time? Is this watch set by radio time? मेरी इच्छा थी कि मेरे पास लिखने के लिए और समय होता. I wish I had time to write more. I wish I had time to write more. किस्मत अपने हाथ में होती है. Man is the master of his fate. Man is the master of his fate. उसने अपने लड़के की शादी की. He got his son marriage. He got his son marriage. बात मत बढ़ाओ. Don't push the matter too far. Don't push the matter too far. क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? और भी कुछ कहो. Say something more. Say something more. याद है ना? Don't you remember? Don't you remember? मेरी मत पूछो. Don't ask about me. Don't ask about me. हिंदुओं में यह कहावत है. It is a saying among the Hindus. It is a saying among the Hindus. शोर मच रहा है. A noise is going on. A noise is going on. मैं मजे में हूँ. I'm all right. I am all right. मुझे भूख लगी है. I feel hungry. I feel hungry.